Next, paint the outside of the container with red paint as the base color. Then let it dry. Then, paint the top or leaf part with green paint.
Then, a small wood dust using a small brush to create a strawberry pattern. Let all the paint dry completely so the color sticks well and does not peel easily.
And don't forget the bounce mark. Drainage all stay at the bottom of the container with water so the water does not pool inside.
And that's all from our group. Thank you for attention